Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. It seems like it's a browser day today. Opera, which is a browser that is, it's a known name. Doesn't have that much of a grasp of the market share of the browser market, but it launched something that I find really cool. If you're stressed out, maybe you want to have something relaxing on your PC. Maybe you want to browse in an environment that makes it cool to browse into. In today's world, I think it's a welcome thing. So, Opera has released what's called Opera Air. It's a new browser, and as they call it, it's introducing the world's first browser with mindfulness at its core. No subscriptions, no app juggling. Discover a focused, balanced, and stress-free web. And so it is in early access, and of course, I've installed it on my PC. So I will share the link to the page if you wish to try it out, Opera Air. And here we go. We're going to start the Opera Air browser. And here we go, Opera Air browser. And when you set it up first, it will actually show you, soothing, relaxing backgrounds that you can start the browser with. So this is one that I chose from the list. And of course, now you have the Google search. You can search the web, go to different websites. As usual, it'll ask you if you want to have a default. It has all the, the browser features that people want. But it adds something kind of interesting. On the sidebar on the left, you have options. One of them, for example, here, take a break. When you click here, you've got these exercises that you can actually try to do to kind of relax. So, for example, maybe you're stressed. Well, breathing exercise, 3 to 6 minutes. You click and you get started. You tell them 3 minutes, for example, here, and depending on what you want to do. And so you have Emma or Alex in the voice guide. And what you do is you choose whoever you want as a voice. You choose the type of breathing exercise. Then you click start. And with soothing music, it's actually going to...
Welcome to mindful breathing practice.
There, it's going to...
Find a position that feels natural and comfortable.
So this is very, very relaxing, actually. I find the idea extremely, extremely interesting because, you know what? How many times you do something? I'm a caregiver right now with things not going very well. I'm stressed out of, I have to work, do stuff, do the YouTube videos, go to hospitals several times a week. All of that together is driving me crazy. And you know what? This is the perfect thing that is needed. So you've got these things, but you also have the Explore Boosts. And this is going to give you different options. So top boosts, where you can choose creativity, energy, deep relaxation. But there's also some relaxing boosts also with, like deep relaxation, dream recall, so on. A lot of them, of course, are videos. So what you do is, for example, you want to have deep relaxation. Well, you start what goes with this. Gives you a background of music. They, of course, suggest why not use headphones. And it just is soothing and great. And you can still continue surfing the web, do your activities while that is playing in the background. And, of course, you can stop it at any time. So this is absolutely great, and I just love the way that they've done this. So the link to it is in the description below. If your life is stressful, how about Opera Air web browser to relax? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.